Brand new tool. Hey everybody, back to another tool talk. Today we are looking at the Ingersoll Rand Compact Impact Wrench. So if you're wondering what this thing's good for, it's been built for wheel installation, pipe fitting, fleet maintenance, mechanical work, and general industry. Basically anything that you can put this to, it'll get the job done. And don't forget your good old red knob. Oh, let me show you the difference. So this is hand tight. Ooh, this is wrench tight. Ooh, this is half power. And this is max power. You know? You know? You know? 3-year warranty. The steel-lined aluminum hammer case is designed to be lightweight while protecting all the interior components. This thing's extremely durable, impact and chemical resistant, protecting it from repeated drops and shop fluids. This thing has an excellent ergonomic design, coming with a great power to weight ratio, coming in at 50% higher torque than leading 3/8 cordless impact wrench. This thing will give you a foot-pound for every day of the year, 165 foot-pounds maximum torque. I like that. My favorite feature on this tool is the built-in LED light. You put the tool in neutral and pull the trigger, and it turns on, and every click lowers the brightness. A 3-year warranty. I hope this video piqued some interest for those of you who are looking for a brand new cordless compact impact wrench. If anybody is interested or has any questions, you can give us a call at 905-333-5650 or shoot us an email at sales@stackindustries.com or go to our website at stackindustries.com. Have a great weekend and happy Halloween.